It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about the cryptocurrency Dogecoin. Look, for those of you not familiar to the channel, welcome. We don't sell rainbows, we don't sell sunshine, and I'm not gonna tell you that we're gonna take you to the promised land like other YouTubers do. What we do on this channel is we keep it real with you always, all the time. We look at the news, we look at tweets, I give you my opinion. We look at things from a short-term perspective. We look at things from a long-term investing. So we look at trading, right? Short-term trading, swing trading, and long investments. Let's take a look here at this tweet from at Top Doge 007. That is the Twitter handle. Doge and SHIB will make a lot of millionaires in the next 6 months. What do you think? For the purposes of this video, I am going to focus on the Dogecoin community. Sorry, SHIBsters, do not chastise me, right? We love Shiba Inu, but right now we're talking about Dogecoin, okay? So look, this perspective, I know that it may seem corny to some, and it may seem outlandish and ridiculous to some, but the reality is you have to think about the people that bought Dogecoin when it was worth cents, when it was worth merely pennies. A lot of those people did not sell at the top. They held on to their investment because they believed that Dogecoin could break a new all-time high. They believe it could go higher. You know, their goal is to reach $1. So many people did not sell those Dogecoin. There are still people that hold a whole bunch of Dogecoin. So the notion of making millionaires in this next 6 months, it is not that crazy and it is not that far-fetched to think. Just a quick disclaimer before we continue, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. So look, the point that I'm trying to make right here is that even though it could seem silly, this could be a reality for many people. Of course, only if Dogecoin has a spike up, which in my opinion, I believe it will, but I'm not foolish enough to tell you an exact price. I'm not one of those crystal ballers that says, oh, Dogecoin is going to 97 cents. Nah, we don't do that right here. We get a feel for the market, and as we see things taking off, we notice it. And we notice the slow trends that build momentum into better and bigger trends. Let's take a look at the price here for Dogecoin. And this is what I'm talking about right here. The yearly for Dogecoin. Dogecoin, right? A lot of people say Dogecoin sucks, that it's worthless. Take a look at these gains for a year. How is this for worthless? 10,554.30% of a gain in the course of the last year for Dogecoin. That is absolutely earth-shattering and in-freaking sane. So look, my people, this is what it is right here with Dogecoin and what I'm talking about. Currently 27 cents, right? Dogecoin, of course, was much higher. Let's go back to its all-time high, right? Which was up here, 74 cents, as you see, on May the 7th, right? May the 7th was what? 5 months ago? 6 months ago, right? So, Dogecoin has retraced tremendously. The consolidation is crazy, right? It has been at this 20-something cent zone, right? Look, it actually hit 18 cents, 17 cents. Yeah, it got down there in July. So ever since July, right? Let's look at it this way. If you have been packing your bags and if you bought the crap out of Dogecoin at 17 cents on July the 20th, or around that time, because you had a few days to buy under 20 cents, and then it happened again, and we stayed in the low 20s for quite a while there for Dogecoin, right? So if you bought the crap out of Dogecoin in July and August, you're already sitting on some nice big profits. So this is the thing here. If Dogecoin has a run up, let's say that Dogecoin just doubles to 54 cents and hits 60 cents. Forget about hitting all-time highs, right? Let's just say Dogecoin goes to 50 and 60 cents. You're already making a big, huge time profit. So that's why I said that the notion of that tweet, it is not far-fetched, it is not ridiculous. Of course, it depends on how many Dogecoin you have, because I'm not one of those people that's gonna tell you, you know what, with 100 Dogecoin you're gonna be rich. Nah, it ain't working like that. Not at this price point. So that's what I'm telling you guys, that you gotta keep the perspective. You gotta keep your eyes open. Do not be deterred from that garbage and that FUD that you hear when people say, oh, the market cap, the price can't go up to this and that. Just look at it at the runs. These cryptocurrencies, these stocks, these assets, they make runs, ladies and gentlemen. When it is going down and it is at its lowest, that is when you should be accumulating. When the price stays stagnant, you accumulate. Of course, I'm not telling anyone, I'm not advising anyone to get their hands on Dogecoin, especially if they don't believe in the project. But what I'm saying is that when the price is low, that is usually the time to get in, and you get the run up. You have your exit strategy. Maybe you think it's gonna go higher, or if you're sufficient and you're sufficed with the profits you have, that is when you get out. That is when you close the deal and take your profits. Many say the hardest time is when you get out, right? Because greed takes over, and one always thinks that everything and anything could always go higher. Cryptocurrency's history, it seems that everything always keeps going higher eventually, right? But always be mindful, be responsible when you invest, right? Let's just retrace a bit. The monthly Dogecoin is up 22.89 cents. For the week, up 5.31%. And for the day, interestingly enough, it is down 2.22%. So there was a lot of green and a bit of red. If you want to make your 2% back, right now is a good time to invest in Dogecoin and run it up. People make fun of others when they talk about little gains between 2 and 5%. But when you take out profits for that repeatedly, those small gains, they add up in a big, big way. So there's always different ways to play the game. You could swing trade, or you could go for the long game and hold for months, a year, years, whatever it may be. There are different strategies and they work differently for everyone. The goal is to be successful here when it comes to crypto. So that is all with Dogecoin here on this video. Anything Dogecoin, put it down below in that comment section. I'm curious to hear what you guys think and what you think about that tweet initially at the start of the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, it's simple, give it a thumbs down. The haters are welcome here. You could sit down, have some dinner with me, dislike the video. It is all good in the world, baby. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel, as it helps tremendously, more than you'll ever know. I am thankful and appreciative. Also, smash that notification bell so you can stay notified, informed, and up to date. But above all, remember, Dogecoin. This is what this is about. We're talking about Dogecoin. More eyeballs will be seen on Dogecoin if more people see the video. When more people see Dogecoin, they're more inclined to read about it, learn about it, research it. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.